The Performance Hub allows you to track learner progress and conduct KPI-driven evaluations. To access it, navigate to People and select Performance in the Admin Portal sidebar. You will land on the Overview tab, which provides a high-level dashboard of your organization's learning and development health. At the top, KPI cards display your total evaluations, global average score, strongest dimension, and your top focus area. Below, analytics charts break down your average score by dimension, show your performance trend over time, display score distribution, and rank your top groups. Switch to the Evaluations tab to see a master ledger of all submitted reviews. This list details the evaluation title, learner, evaluator, date, and overall average score. Clicking on any row opens a detailed summary modal. Here, you can quickly review the overall average score alongside the individual scores for each of the 5 dimensions, which are color-coded for easy readability. To conduct a new review, click the blue New Evaluation button in the top right corner. Give the evaluation a title, select the specific learner from the drop-down, and choose the visibility level. Whether it should be kept for admins only or shared with the learner and admins. Next, use the sliders to score the learner on a scale of 1 to 5 across the 5 core competencies: knowledge application, skill growth, active engagement, initiative and autonomy, and knowledge sharing. You can also add optional evaluation notes at the bottom. Once you are finished, click Save Evaluation. If you ever need to adjust the scores on a past review, simply click its row in the table to open the summary modal and click the Edit button to reopen the form and make your changes.